This is the aosu D1 Max, a 360-degree full coverage 3K security camera. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Inside the box, you get a sticker and a quick start guide, the solar panel to charge the camera, some mounting hardware, a USB-C cable, and the camera itself. There's a rubber gasket cover underneath the camera, which reveals the power and reboot buttons as well as the SD card or memory card slot for onboard storage. This camera can be installed indoors or outdoors. Installation is extremely easy and won't take much time at all. Once you have the camera mounted and installed, you'll need to install the aosu app. Then you'll go to the app dashboard and select to add a new device. You can follow the instructions on the app by scanning the QR code to add the camera, as well as connect it to your Wi-Fi network. You can name the device to keep it better organized, and find which camera you want to view if you have multiple cameras. You can also sign up for cloud storage if you wish, or you can just use a memory card for onboard storage. In the camera settings, you can adjust AI surveillance settings, whether it be intrusion alarms, vehicle detection, pet detection, and so forth. You can also enable or disable motion detection, track motion, which basically follows the subject as they move, or adjust detection sensitivity. On the camera dashboard, you can switch between Ultra HD or standard definition to save on storage. You can click on the camera record icon to record the footage you're viewing. You can take screenshots, and you can turn sound on or off. Below that, you can use the manual navigation buttons to move the camera up, down, or side to side. On the bottom, you can turn on the spotlight to light up the area you're viewing at night. You can click the talk button to speak to whoever is by the camera, and you can manually enable the alarm to scare off any intruders. You can also enable or disable tracking by clicking on More. This camera has color night vision, which I find to be a useful feature. You can choose to enable or disable color night vision, and if turned off, you just get the standard black and white night vision. What I like about this camera is that with just a single camera, you can view multiple angles. You don't need to modify the camera positioning and can easily move the camera around with the app. It provides a good picture and video quality and is easy to install and use. With a solar panel attachment, you'll always be charged and ready to go. And just in case you need to manually charge it, you can do so as well. I'll place links for the aosu D1 Max security camera in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.